This is another attempt of shooting in landscape format. Let's do a quick thought. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is another attempt of shooting in landscape format, which means that we are attempting to go back to YouTube. As in, sabi ko talaga na actually matagal ko naman na talagang gustong bumalik sa YouTube, but I feel like there's just really a lot of friction. And actually, ang dami ko pang mga ibang videos na shoot na pero hindi ko pa siya na-edit. So baka after this vlog, yun yung mga ipopost ko. So do expect old contents from me na hindi ko pa na-up sa platform. Parang gusto ko lang talaga i-change yung mindset na parang na-busy, parang ganon. Because I feel like lahat naman tayo busy and I feel like it's all just a matter of prioritizing things and doing what you really want to do. Let this be a reminder that if you really want to do something, I hope that you find the time. And I know ang daming friction when posting online na ang dami nating iniisip, the engagement, wala namang manonood, wala namang may pake, ganon. And at the end of the day, doing this vlog is mainly not because of other people, but because for ourselves. And for me, gusto ko mag-create ng memories here and to easily go back to this platform and see kung ano yung ginawa ko in my day-to-day life, ganon. So, yun yung na-appreciate ko sa YouTube. That's why I want to go back to it. I hope na ma-up tong video na to kasi kinakain ko lang yung sarili kong words kung hindi ko to ma-up. So, yeah. Let's get on with our day. Let's go! Momia! What's your breakfast? Avocado yan. There we go. Kainin ko yung salmon bread. Where's the salmon? Masira na yun. Parang ang hirap palang dumadaldal habang nagbe-breakfast. So, chika bells na lang muna, very quick. So, this is my life right now, and I feel like I've shared a bunch of my ahensya journey and like full-time content creator, freelancer life sa TikTok and also sa Instagram and also sa Facebook page. So, parang feeling ko na 1 year lang ako hindi nag-post dito sa YouTube, but we missed a chapter. Parang ganun yung nangyari. So, if you want to know more about my life, you can follow me in my other socials. Pero try ko talaga yung best ko na mas maging active over here. And what I do mainly lifestyle content. So, mostly travel, beauty, makeup, food, ganun. So, lahat talaga siya. I hope that you can join me in this journey together. That's why you're bowing. Yes! Dinner is finally here. Nag-order na lang ako ng takeouts kasi gutom na ako and umalis si Mama tsaka si Atsi. We got Tetsuo! Sarap nito guys, if hindi nyo pa siya natatry. Parang Japanese type of food siya. So parang may malagyudon, tapos salmon, ganun. Bango! So we got there, actually hindi ko alam to, pero corn thingy siya. Salmon bowl and gyudon. Hi! Welcome to our revamped living room area. Oh my gosh, guys. As in, grabe. Dati parang dream ko lang na mapaayos yung living room area namin or like to decorate it. Kasi before, as in sobrang bare lang nito. As in itong couch. Parang nandito lang siya sa area na to. Tapos wala tong shelf. Wala kaming TV. Like as in, hindi talaga siya decorated well. And for the longest time, my mom kept saying na, bakit mo pa ba aayusin yung bahay? Parang wala namang pupunta dito. But for me kasi, like sobrang important to decorate our home well. Kasi syempre, nandito ka na nga most of the time. So, might as well decorate it. So, kung may pupunta man dito or hindi, at least happy ka sa nakikita mo, hindi makalat and all. Well, actually, makalat pa din naman siya. But at least, it's still a progress. But don't mind this huge TV. May project kasi ako with Devan. This is actually an 80 inches TV kasi. So, parang feeling ko na extra laki siya for our living room. So, baka iakit na lang din siya after.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳을 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright This feels good, you and I think we got something special and I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Oh, right, this feels good, you and I think we got something special and I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright
언제부터 시작한지 잘 모르 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아 baby
Good morning! So, time check. It's currently almost 6 a.m. Actually, usapan namin 6 a.m. Dapat nandun na kami. Pero, at least, it's all about showing up. Oh, pupunta kami sa Ayala, Macron. Ano bang tawag doon? Basta, kasi di ba every Sunday, parang kina-close down nila yung Ayala so that people can do their morning jog, morning walks, cycling, and all that, ganun. So, pupunta kami doon as a bagong buhay this 2025. Personally talaga, I'm not really into running and I'm not even good into running. Like, more on walking lang talaga siya. Pero I guess it's more of health sake lang din na parang gusto ko lang mag-try ng something different just to like move around. Probably fix my body clock too. Let's do a quick outfit check muna. Usually, yung mga active wears ko is from Uniqlo or GU. GU is like a sister company of Uniqlo. Uniqlo also, and gusto ko dito is that super buttery niya and meron na siyang pocket dito. If you're running with your phone, and I have my Giordano na, ano man tawag dito? Most importantly, I have my fanny pack from ECPC. Tapos nandito na yung lahat ng mga essentials ko. Like, kasya lahat guys, as in. Pero hindi ko na dinamihan kasi ang hirap kapag magja-jog, baka aalog-alog siya. Oo nga din pala, so, nagdala din ako ng work bag kasi mag-edit ako mamaya. Meron akong deadline. So, fun. Magka-cafe na lang siguro ako. Magbibihis na lang din ako later. Good morning, Makati! We made it! Ang saya din pala ganito guys, no? Na parang ang tahimik ng Makati or like ng mga tao sa umaga. Like walang traffic and wala masyadong tao outside. You get to start life earlier than others. Oh, kala mo naman, nag-jogging lang. Feeling mo naman, changed person na siya. Let's go! Nandiyan na daw si Den. Hindi ko lang alam saan kami mag-meet.
Ay, kala. Bakit nasa taas? Naharap ko na sila guys. Bakit naman kayo? So, sila po ang ating running face. Fake running face. Actually, mates lang, walang Ronnie. First step is mag-stretching. May nahanap kami sa TikTok na guide kasi hindi namin alam paano mag-stretching. Going up, number 1. Okay na yun. Second, go home lang kami. And then, show kami. Ano ba? Ganyan? Ay, oo, nag-feel ko siya. Pwede na yun. Proceed. Ganyan? Parang natin Zumba. Uy, pero in fairness, he's new stretching. Okay, 9K steps done. At least, baby steps. Yun lang talaga yung goal ko right now. Is maka 10K steps. So, at least. And to showing up. Kasi syempre yung mga iba, parang as in, marathoners talaga yun. Pero at least, kinaya natin. Here's to showing up. Hi kayo guys. Ina-attempt ko on YouTube vlog. Ooh, tapos paano kayo ikot? Hey Siri, turn around. Paano ba to?
I don't see the house of love. Hello! Every time. Oh my God! Wait ko siya. Wait ko siya. Lalo na sa vlog ko pala. Nagtatry ako sa YouTube.
Yaki. Nanood kami guys na and the breadwinner is reveal. Oh my gosh guys, yung pagod ko today, parang pang 1 month. As in, ang lala, di ba like nag-jogging nga kami kanina. Sabi ko talaga na yung goal ko lang is 10K steps. Pero after that, nag-ikot-ikot kami ng mall and all that. Tingnan nyo ilang steps namin today! Kita nyo ba guys? 18,710. 14.77 kilometers. Nakakapagod. Parang feeling ko na nag-travel ako sa Japan. Ganong levels. And I also got a few things. I-haul natin. Pero mag-ayos muna ako ng gamit. Wait a minute.
So, let's do a quick haul of everything that I got today. Actually, konti lang naman siya. So, I got items from 2 shops, from Love Bonito and also sa Nitori. So, simulan na lang natin sa Love Bonito kasi exactly the same items lang naman yung binili ko. I got the brown version. Actually, hindi ko alam yung exact name. And also, the ivory na parang mala white of this skirt. If-flash ko na lang sa screen. Itong black skirt kasi from Love Bonito. Sobrang favorite ko siya. And I feel like long skirts are really effortless. Alam mo yun, like mukha ka talagang put together. Pero at the same time, very comfy siya. From Nitori. First time ko actually pumunta sa Nitori. Nadaanan lang namin. Dumaan kaming Glorieta. And sakto, nandito yung mga hinahanap ko. First one that I got would be this one. Alam niyo yung parang kitchen mat. Yung texture niya, ganyan. Tapos, cute pa ng print niya. Parang yung tile siya. Parang ganun yung vibes niya. So, parang medyo pricey nga lang to. I think around 1-2. Pero parang naisip ko kasi na ipibilin ko rin sa Shopee. Ganun. Feeling ko mga ganun din yung presyo. Tapos, mahal pa yung shipping fee. Maraming acrylic doon. Maraming different sizes. Sa ref namin, parang marami kasi kaming mga different type of sauces. Ganyan. Mga sate, mustard mayo. Kunwari, kapag may kukunin kang sauce, tatanggalin mo pa lahat ng para lang makuha yung nasa likod. So, at least with this, hihilain mo lang siya. Tapos, nandito na siya lahat. Pero yung idea niya, pang soft drinks ata talaga siya. So, yun lang naman yung binili ko. Good morning to No Ligo Kokoy. Pero in fair kumakapit pa rin ang ating perm. So later, pupunta kami sa house nila Ahya kasi it's Baby Bryce's first birthday. So si Baby Bryce is my first pamangkin, and yes, I'm officially an auntie, and this is the first anak of my brother. So, first birthday. Ay, actually, hindi pa na first birthday. First month pa lang pala niya. Ang bilis naman ng 1 year. 1 year agad-agad, di ba? Hindi ako naligo na hair ngayon kasi mamaya magpapamassage ako. Kasi di ba na-mention ko kahapon na nag-run nga kami. And parang feeling ko na may ugat na naipit sa right foot ko. So, parang imagine yun na ito yung paa ko. Parang dito banda. Parang every lakad ko, parang may naiipit. So, sobrang uncomfortable niya. And the weirdest thing is that, habang nag-run, like totally normal. As in, end of the day na. As in, yung tipong pauwi na lang ako, ganong level siya, bago siya sumakit. So, hindi ko alam kung saan siya nanggaling. Is it because na-build up siya, tapos biglang nag-clock na lang. Nag-clock na ugat, di ko rin alam. So, that's our agenda for today. Let's go!
Feels like forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table.
Look at our new chair, you guys! Finally, dumating na yung dining table set natin. These are from Mandawi Foam. We got this on sale. Parang I think 2,000 pesos siya, ganun. Pero we got it for like 1,000 pesos na lang. Yan, ang ganda ng tela niya. Looky.
Has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19.